As of right now, we have clear conditions everywhere in the San Francisco Bay Area, and that's a nice little change for us. But with these clearing skies, we do have very cold temperatures. We expect temperatures in the mid-20s and 30s this evening. We have a freeze warning in effect in the North Bay, East Bay, and down in Monterey County. So be very cautious when driving anywhere this evening or even tomorrow morning until about 10 a.m. Hi, I'm Gina De Vecchio. We had another hot day in the Bay, but how long is it going to last? I'll have your forecast coming up. Well, we had one more hot day in San Francisco Bay Area, and it looks like we have one more to come. Currently, we have temperatures in the 80s along the coast and still 90s inland, 98 in Concord and down in Gilroy, yet only 67 degrees in Santa Cruz. So we're going to hang on to these warm conditions for one more day. We'll have a warm start tomorrow as the temperatures should be in the 50s and 60s, followed by a hot afternoon. So be aware, stay cool, stay indoors, as the temperatures should get up to the 90s and hundreds. But by Wednesday, we'll see some cooling coming into the area, as inland temperatures should only be in the 80s and 90s. So looking at our satellite, we see this ridge of high pressure has been responsible for these hot, dry conditions. Yet by Wednesday, we expect it to move out to the east, bringing cooler conditions to follow. Well, I hope everyone got to get a peek of that blue sky we saw today for the first time in a while. And it's definitely helped keeping our temperatures warm even after sunset. Temperatures are still in the 50s down into the south and 49 degrees in the East Bay. Now this is about 5 degrees, 10 degrees in some areas warmer than yesterday, thanks to this onshore flow we're having that's helping to mix the air and warm it up a little for us. So now tonight will still be a chilly evening, however not as bad as the last few nights. We'll have temperatures in the 30s and 40s and some frost out in the valleys, but everywhere else should be relatively warm. Now Monday morning we'll begin to see rainfall in the North Bay, but what we're waiting for is this low pressure system sitting off the coast, but it's moving in with a zonal flow, which means that it's bringing more moisture and warmer conditions than say the last few systems we've been having. Now we expect it to come in Monday morning, but just with a few showers and still warm temperatures of 50 degrees and 60-degree highs. Sunday, this cold front is going to pass through, bringing with it cloud cover, especially over Saturday night and Sunday morning in the South Bay. Now things will be clear up in the North Bay, but we still have some scattered clouds throughout the day, preventing things from getting too warm on Sunday. But Monday and Tuesday, the system will clear out completely, leaving us with some sunshine and temperatures back up into the 70s. So over Saturday night, it'll stay in the 50s throughout the night thanks to this high wind speed and cloud cover. And then temperatures should only get up into the 60s in many locations, though some 70-degree temperatures up in the North Bay and in the East Bay, and only 60s along the peninsula. Now your 7-day forecast is looking to be a little bit breezy to begin, followed by some possible rain on Monday, then clearing skies for the rest of the week, and comfortable temperatures again by the weekend.